Hello, this is Carl, your music teacher. I'm doing your assembly for this week, and we are covering Article 29, the aims of education. Article 29 states, your education should help you develop your personality, talents, and mental and physical abilities. It should encourage you to develop respect in your own culture, for other cultures, and for the environment. It should help prepare you to live in and contribute to a free society. That covers a lot of areas. What we're going to be focusing on today is how music can help to develop your personality, talents, and mental and physical abilities.
As part of this assembly, I have brought in a couple of students who have left us and gone off to college. We have got on the left...
Connor, and I'm a drummer.
And on the right...
I'm Robbie, play guitar.
Okay, so, Connor,
Yes.
you learned drums here,
Yes, I did.
and it was the only instrument really you wanted to play. Isn't that correct?
Yes. I wanted an instrument that was loud and was hitting things.
And how do you think you did at first?
At first, my main kind of flaw was timing.
Yes.
So to be able to either be too fast or too slow, or in fancy terms, dragging or rushing the beat.
And how do you feel that you've progressed within your time that you were here?
I feel like throughout the time that I had here, I progressed massively, because not only did I improve the timing, I also had like a feel for the genre of the song that I was playing, because my mindset when playing the song was hit as hard as you can. But it turns out that is not the case, because you're not doing that with any sensitive genres.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
And Robbie, guitar player.
So, I think when I started, my main flaws were just knowledge of the guitar as a whole, chords, key signatures, such, and timing. But I think I've progressed quite a bit actually.
Yeah.
I know a lot of chords. I know how chords actually work as a chord. I know scales and such. I've learned quite a few songs. Yeah, I'd say my timing's a lot better as well.
Yeah. So for both of you, what do you think is one or two songs that you are proud that you've been able to learn to play and play well?
I gotta think about this one.
Any come to mind, Connor?
I've got one that comes to mind. It was in an outside lesson, because obviously I take drum lessons every Saturday fortnight, and that would have to be Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana.
Yeah.
Because the main thing was obviously the tempo, because I'd never played a song that was quite that tempo, and it's obviously quite an aggressive song.
Yeah.
So you've got to have that stamina to continue through it.
Definitely.
And also playing the very iconic intro, because it is nice to play.
It is. It is.
I think probably A Certain Romance by Arctic Monkey. It taught me a lot about lead stuff in particular, and I think I progressed a lot from learning that song, and it allowed me to move up a stage in my guitar playing.
Okay, nice. So, before you started at Oscott Manor, were you really interested in music or playing any kind of an instrument?
No.
How about yourself, Robbie?
I tried, and I failed miserably. I gave up I think I was 8, so it's not,
I could probably play a lot of couple melodies on the keyboard, but that's pretty much it.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yes.
You used to play a lot of things on the keyboard first.
Yeah.
Then when you got your hands on those drumsticks, it was like, I ain't touching anything else.
Yes.
Apart from when you
the
play
only
melodies
keys
on the
I'll be
keyboard.
having are the car and house keys.
Yeah. Right, so what kind of helped you to gain that momentum to want to stick with the instruments that you stuck with and to continue and to grow with it?
But I think the main thing is just to kind of have another thing, something to kind of distract me, because I would get frustrated, and I would take the aggression out on some of the wrong things, and that ended up being broken. So the drumming's kind of been a good coping mechanism for that.
Good.
Definitely.
probably the fact that up until I started playing guitar, I never really had a serious hobby.
Yeah.
It was very motivating to be good at something that wasn't just sitting on a sofa and playing video games.
Yes.
You know, it was very motivating. That was. It was. I think it was also cool to see like bands and musicians that I quite inspire me a lot to see how far they've got and how easy it is to get there as long as you put in the work.
That's
I was
cool.
about to say, because just adding on, I would watch after the first drum dedicated lesson I had here.
Yeah.
I would watch like drummers and different drumming tutorials, and I would look at things and I'd say, I want to play that.
Yeah.
I want to be at that level.
So it also got you interested so you could have drum lessons outside of school, didn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
And then your parents saw how much you were really enjoying it.
Which they didn't know for the first couple of years. I
Yeah.
kind of kept it hidden as a
I
secret
kept it
talent.
quiet.
I kept it quiet, yeah.
But now,
Somehow.
what did they build for you at home, and what did you get?
It's not built yet, if you're on about the bar.
Oh, not the bar.
Not
but
the bar. Not the bar.
now you're old enough.
It's not even old.
But you had a practice room, didn't you? So you could
Yeah, I did.
and a drum kit.
I had a practice room, had an e-kit bought, pretty much the whole setup.
Yeah.
And it all went from there, really.
Cool. And obviously yourself, you've gone from acoustic guitar.
One acoustic guitar to one electric guitar to one acoustic guitar to one electric guitar
So you kind of in
and an
between the
acoustic
two.
guitar. I haven't got
And an amp.
and an amp, big amp.
Yes. And apparently playing a lot.
Yeah,
A lot.
I don't
It's
play as
agonising
much
to
as I
me.
used to. No, well, as much as I did towards the end of last year. But
Yeah. It's just about motivation, really. You just got to keep that mindset.
I'm very busy at the moment as well.
Is that for your college work, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, same here. I've got an
Yeah.
assessment coming up, so.
Mm-hmm.
So you're both doing well at college?
Yeah, doing well.
Yeah.
And what
So
course is it that you're doing? You're
I'm
doing
engineering.
engineering, and
Media,
to move on to,
music.
yeah. And obviously you want to do engineering, and drum's going to stay a hobby, or you guys going to work on getting a band together? Because you got part of it already.
Yeah.
I'm pretty. We've got what we've got. haven't we?
We
Not
haven't.
kind of,
Yeah. We're in that middle stage of where we've got people that are happy to do it, but
Mhm.
we need to progress to meeting up and doing it.
Yeah, we need
Yes.
to have some practice.
The
sessions.
important bit.
The important bit.
Yes, I'll do it. But actually meet up and actually do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Well, it's great to see how you guys have really progressed, because I noticed it massively from when you first started, seeing that little spark to then it growing throughout the years that we here. So from year 7 up until you left, which was year
2016 I came in.
No. School year.
school year.
School year. From year 7, and I still do it now.
Yeah, and you've left at year 11 to go to college.
Yes,
12.
I did.
12.
Yeah.
Left at year
Year
12.
12.
Year 12. Oh, yeah, you stayed another year, didn't you?
So,
I left at year 11.
Yeah, because you were doing your music qualification with me, weren't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I passed.
Technically I left at year 12 at the beginning of year 12.
You did, yes.
Yeah.
But you also finished a music qualification with myself, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, well, lovely. Thank you, guys.
Very loose.
Thank you for watching the video today. Hope you enjoyed this assembly, and I'll see you in your music lessons. Bye.